Welcome back. Today, we'll look at Coinpayu, a website that allows you to earn money online by clicking adverts and completing easy tasks. Are you looking to receive Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies without investing? Then Coinpayu.com is a great place to begin. Coinpayu.com is a paid-to-click website that rewards you for seeing advertisements, doing tasks, and taking surveys. It is simple to use and requires no prior knowledge. Let's take a closer look at these earnings potential. To begin, sign up using your Gmail address. The next step is to sign in. On the dashboard, there is a View Ads tab. Below this tab, the advertisements are divided into two groups. You have frameless ads where you must click the offer and allow the timer to run to receive the reward. Next, there are framed ads that are not timed. Instead, a loading progress bar appears at the top of the page. Be cautious, though. Some ads might be misleading or fraudulent. Always verify before you click on an ad and avoid sharing personal information. Coinpayu also has various offers. They include offer walls and surveys. Offer walls are insight advertising platforms offering short tasks in exchange for a small reward. These short tasks are usually designed to promote either a website or a mobile app. Some have an instant reward, while for others, you have to wait either 24 hours or a month to get the reward. Each offer wall has hundreds of offers. My suggestion, take advantage of the instant offers for quick earnings. Also, focus on the offers in your country before going global. What about surveys? You earn points for every survey completed. Also, be aware that many of the same surveys can be found on other sites but with a higher reward in my experience. A case in point is the TimeWall platform. I recommend you take some time to familiarize yourself with it. A lot of guys' earnings come from this site. Check for the clicks offers, where you earn points for viewing the advertiser's webpage until the timer runs out. Remember that all points will be credited to your TimeWall account, but you can withdraw from your Coinpayu account after earning a minimum of 100 points. Every task done on Coinpayu earns you points or money. This is reflected in your Coinpayu balance. The amount you must earn before you may withdraw your profits is determined by your choice of payment method. In conclusion, Coinpayu is available globally and offers an incredible way to make extra money. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching.